All right, I'm out of the Jeep now. I think I figured out where I'm going to put this thing. It fits really nice here. This is on the driver's side for a left-hand drive Jeep. It's right above the C101 connection that goes down to the dash. Fits in there pretty nice. I think I'll be able to get in a couple screws to hold it to the firewall there. I'll be able to get down to the connections, the yellow caps there where the hoses need to go. I think that'll work pretty good. That definitely wouldn't work if you had a manual transmission. The clutch master or cylinder comes through that little knockout hole behind there that, you know, I don't have anything in it. So that wouldn't work. But I don't. This is an automatic, so I can put it there. I think that'll work out. I can move this little bit of wiring harnesses up out of the way, carefully undo this zip tie and pull things out. The ground cable, as it turns out, is shorter than the positive. I thought I'd be able to, you know, run all the way over there with both my positive and negative, but it's shorter. So I've got it over here. If you can see, down in here there's a couple of factory ground points. So I'm just going to try to get down and unscrew one of those, put it through, and tighten it down on that, and I'll use that ground. That should be good ground. That's what's used for the headlights and some other things. And so if you're ever, and by the way, if you're ever having grounding issues, check those, because your headlights or maybe other things won't work right. But I'll tie this down in there, and got a little bit of service loop hanging out. Maybe I can zip tie it out of the way. Positive side, I think that'll be pretty easy. I can throw a couple of zip ties or even some conduit like this stuff. I can run that over, and the length is just about perfect. That'll be nice. I can come on over here and grab power right off that power lug. I'll get this old stuff off. That was for an air horn I had a while back, but I'll be able to tie that right in there. That'll work really nicely. And my fuse there, here's my other fuse holders, and boom, they'll just run right over. So that shouldn't be too bad. That works pretty well. As far as the hose, I hate cutting into factory stuff for aftermarket, because it's only factory once. This bundle of wire, well, it's not just wire. If I can get it, if you can see that blackness right by my fingernail? That's actually the washer tube. So the washer tube runs right through here. Now I could cut and splice it right here and run a piece, you know, down to here and run it back. But I think what I'll do is I'll pull off the cowl and I'll disconnect the hose and I'll just pull it through back here. And I should have enough hose, I think, if I pull it back to here, to bring the hose right on around and then down to the inlet down here, wherever that went, yeah, down to this inlet. And then I can just run the new hose back through and around, back over to the cowl. And if I ever need to take this out for some reason, I haven't just, you know, cut into the factory hose and added in the splice point where it leaks or whatever like that. So yeah, I'll give that a try.